Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have an expanding vinyl collection, and so many times I'll love the album cover, but I had no way to display it until I found these brackets from Caesar Home. Let me show you what makes them so cool. I really love my records, and to be able to hang them so easily on my wall is such a great idea. And this bracket is easy to hang. The instructions are very clear, and you don't have to choose what size item. You can adjust it even once it's up on the wall. So let's say you want to hang a record and then you change your mind and you want to hang a magazine instead. You can totally do that. I love the fact that this gets my vinyls out of storage and up on my wall as artwork. What a clever idea. I'm really in love with these brackets. So if you're looking for a way to display maybe your albums or your comic book collection or some special magazines, these transparent brackets from Caesar Home are so easy to use, fully adaptable, lightweight. The transparency means they don't take anything away from the artwork that you are going to hang. And I think it's just such a really cool idea to be able to take your records out of storage and put them up on the wall as artwork. So this product gets a 2 thumbs up from me. I'm really happy with it, and that's my point of view.